Hey guys, we're doing a video of 251 1948. Today is January 27th. Another fleet maintained truck. Looks like they put a new head on it under factory warranty. These trucks are 455 MX-13. I had factory warranty on them until they were sold. It's a non-transferable warranty. However, we do offer aftermarket warranties. Just get with the sales department. Endurant 12-speed automatic, dual fuel tanks, air slide fifth. These are really some nice fleet maintained trucks here. Kennel hitches, power windows, locks and mirrors, cruise tilt telescope. This truck has got 523, 117 on the miles. Thank you guys for checking out our trucks.